Hi guys, welcome to Carpentry mini clips. I'm just going to show you how to mark and then cut out length of timber for various reasons. It could be so we'll take it right from the measurement, marking, and then we'll finally do the cut. Right then, so working from one end, making sure we've got the ruler nice and flush with the end. Okay, it could be a tape measure, could be a bit more of a joinery situation here, but steel rule right from the edge of the timber, nice and flush. We're going to say the measurement we need is 150 millimeters. So obviously you need to make sure you're familiar with of the way we do things in construction with regards to millimeters. Slightly different in school and other aspects of life, if you like, but we work in millimeters, and 150 millimeters on the ruler here, or the tape measure, is there. So marking it nice and in line. Okay. A little tip with you as well with regards to the ruler. It actually will say 15 on the ruler. Okay, so in your mind you've just got to stick a 0 on the end of it, and that's how you'll know it's obviously 150. Okay, so little pencil mark on the end. Okay, so then we're going to use a set square. Okay, so this part of the set square is a 90-degree angle. Okay, it only works when this part of the tool, which is the stock, is placed against nice and sort of held firmly against the whatever you're trying to mark out. So what I'd like to do is go from the top down, make sure the stock's touching the timber, so then you know that the line you're going to create is 90 degrees. Then what I do is I put my pencil on the mark, which allows for the thickness of the lead, and then just mark a nice straight line down through. And then what I do is I'll repeat that process down the sides as well, because we need to know with our cut whether we're going straight down as well. Okay, so we're going to cut this. Okay, so the way we're going to cut it is we're going to use a bench hook. Okay. So we've obviously got quite a long length of timber here. I'm going to cut it in a fashion that sort of suits you. So I'm going to turn it around because I'm right-handed and hold it at the side, and I'm going to come down and cut through like this. I'm going to make sure that the bench hook is nice and secure. Then for this particular task, we're going to use a tenon saw. Okay, so various different types of saws that you'll come across in carpentry and joinery. This is more for like joinery work. Some carpenters would take one in their toolbox on site for cutting moulding and things like that, but it's predominantly more of a joinery tool. Easier one to sort of learn with as a basics, sort of less likelihood of having a bit of an accident with a saw if you're using one of these to start off with, but various jobs you need various saws. So this is what we're going to use for this task. So the way I cut, the way that I was taught to cut, is to use my thumb as a guide. Okay, obviously you don't want your thumb to get cut, so don't run your thumb where the teeth are. Okay, so you want to raise it an inch above and then use it as an initial guide to put a cut in the top edge of the timber. So we're going to cut just next to the line, not on the line, just slightly next to the line, so when you complete the cut you can still see a bit of the pencil line on your cut, and that's how you know you've cut it square. So you'll notice I'm started there nice and start, give me a little key into the cut, and then I was able to go backwards and forwards. I'm not ramming the saw, I'm not forcing the saw, so it's just allowing the weight of the saw on the timber and just moving it back and forward. Okay? And you'll notice that I gradually brought the back of the saw down to cut at that sort of level. You can do that with the tenon saw. I know now that I've got it at least square on that angle. So what I need to concentrate now is on keeping it nice and square going downwards. So you can do that. And this bit's really important actually. I don't know if I pointed this out before, but the way you hold a saw is important. So a lot of DIY guys or girls may think that you just hold a saw like that. That's wrong. What you do is you hold a saw like that. Okay, and that one there, this finger here gives you a guide and helps you get the cut nice and straight down. When you get to the end, obviously don't be forcing it too much. Obviously you don't be cutting into the bench if it's not necessary. Just take it up. You don't want to be splitting any timbers as well. And there we go. Should be a nice straight cut. Okay. Many thanks.